Hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know down in the comments. I want to know. So, I've got another unboxing. And like I've been doing, I dove into it, peeked, and used a bunch of the products. Some are good, some are not so good. But we're going to get into all of that right now. Now, this is my Boxycharm Premium, number 1. I do get 2 of these so that I can pick different choices. In addition to that, get different variations to bring to you on my channel. So kind of a one-stop kind of place. And if you haven't noticed, I've also been trying to get you guys, along with Jeannie, we're both working together to get you guys more spoilers and current content of new boxes that are coming out, boxes that are going out or don't get, all the deets on that kind of stuff, along with other, of course, beauty, mature beauty, skincare, good stuff like that on our channels. Now, Boxy Premium is $35 a month if you don't know. Usually it is a really great deal because we get all full-size products. I usually get several things in my Boxycharm boxes that I do really like. So ultimately, it's worth it for me. And if you haven't figured it out by now, I pay for these. I don't get any of my Boxycharm boxes in PR, free for review, anything like that. So it cuts a little deeper for me when I don't get good stuff or when I get things that I'm kind of disappointed in. But that's okay. Now, let's open her up and see what the April 2021 box has got in store for me. And like I said, I did dive in and I've got some of the products on. So you're going to hear my thoughts on some of those. Now, the theme for this month is sweet treats, along with the card. You get the little theme, and then on the other side is a list of all the items and prices, descriptions, stuff like that. But y'all know that, I know. Okay, so I have variation 238. My first thing is this lip gloss set, and it's from Nails Inc. I've watched several unboxings, and yes, the name is confusing because we're getting lip products from Nails Inc., which you'd think is a nail product company. But either way, I've seen a lot of people like these. I have not tried this. I am kind of inundated with lippies. I have a obsession with them, so I've got a little too many. This I'm going to put in my giveaway pile for one of y'all. So it says Nails Inc. London on the packaging of this, right down there, as you can see, right? I think everyone might have gotten this in their box, but here's the description on the card. It's ink-readable cosmetics. So that's different. It's a ball roller gloss duo. And it retails for $24. They're supposed to cool and soothe your lips. The formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation. That's kind of new, right? And wake up the chakras. Okay, so it's like a meditation lip gloss. So it's got nails, meditation, chakras, crystals. Yeah, it kind of covers everything. Like the most amazing lip gloss you'll ever get. I don't know. Again, didn't try it, but one of you will get it in the near future. Next, I got, it is a repeat for me. It's the Tarte Eyeliner, but I'm not mad at it because this is literally one of my favorite eyeliners. It is, that's what she looks like. I always loved the Tarte packaging. Here, I don't want to open it up because I don't want the liquid side to start drying out. But one side of it is a felt tip and the other side is like a gel. If you have not tried this eyeliner before, I highly recommend it. I do. It is incredible. The pigment is there. It's long wearing. The performance is amazing. Now, I literally got 2 flippin' eyeliners in this box. Yeah, a brown one and a black one. So that pissed me off a little bit. I'm not paying $35 for eyeliners, but whatever. The Tarte Double Take Eyeliner retails for $24. And like I said, it is a 2-sided gel and felt. Next is the other freaking eyeliner. And this one I am wearing. It's from Dose of Colors. And it is a brown eyeliner. And this one retails for $15. And it's supposed to be a long wearing creamy eyeliner that's glides on easily. I don't really agree with that. Delivering transfer resistant high coverage matte finish. It also has a built-in sharpener. I will say the packaging on this is gorgeous. That I will give Dose of Colors. Look at that packaging, right? And, you know, one side comes off. It's not sharp anymore because Mama used it. And the other side literally is like a little sharpener, which, okay, that's super cool. Not really thrilled with it. Again, I did use it on my upper lash and a little bit underneath. I am mature. Now I've got aging eyes, y'all. And I felt like it did not glide on as easily as I would have liked it to. Or as easily as some of my other gel liners. I don't like pulling my eyelid when I'm trying to apply eyeliner. And I kind of found this did that. So, a little disappointed on that one. Next, I got a NARS Blush. And I chose this. Now, this was the first month we were able to choose 2 items in our box. And this was one of the items I chose. Now, again, I used this. It is in the color. Okay. It's in the color Deep Throat. And that sounds like a Jeffree Star color that you would name his stuff. Not NARS. So, I don't know, but whatever. I will say it was a little smaller than I expected, but it's got gorgeous packaging. It's a beautiful matte finish. And it's even got a little mirror. And look at that color. so pretty. For spring, I'm obsessed. Like I said, I did use it and I love it. Love it. It went on beautifully and it was super easy to just kind of blend in everything. Now, the NARS Blush retails for $30, so that baby's not cheap. And it is one of their best-selling blushes. And it is a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color. It's in a matte satin and, oh, it comes in matte satin and shimmery finishes. Next, I got a Fenty primer. And I was super excited to get this. This primer retails for $32. The Fenty products aren't cheap, but they're not like super expensive either. And I do like that. It's the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. And it's supposed to be a universal makeup primer for all skin types. It says it's a shine stopping, pore diffusing primer that smooths the way for better foundation application and longer wear. So again, I use this and it's in a soft matte finish. Now I've got oily skin, so I was super excited to get this. The packaging is gorgeous. Look at this. So pretty. And it just pumps out, but look at how much you get. Awesome, right? And it looks pretty much like a regular cream primer, whatever. You know, I don't see anything that special about it, but going on, it was super silky and hydrating going on. There's really no scent to it that I can notice. Honestly, the primer felt incredible. I really liked it. Last but not least is the iconic London palette. And this one is the Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. And it's like got a glare. Sorry. This flippin' retails for $62. Yeah. So I've gotten iconic London palettes before, and I did wear this today. I played with it. I put it on, and in all honesty, I'm actually really disappointed. For a $62 palette, I really struggled with these colors, the mattes and the shimmers. Now, I ended up having to build up the color over and over and over. I just felt like I was not getting any payoff from some of these matte colors. When I was initially applying my eyeshadow, I had to keep going, moving up to the next darker color just for it to show up in some way. So, needless to say, I was pretty disappointed. In addition to that, trying to apply the shimmers, they weren't as buttery as a lot of palettes are. I mean, come on. Morphe shimmers are more buttery and smooth than this. So, yeah. But, I mean, when I was trying to apply the shimmers, they, there was fallout from the flippin' shimmers. That's how, like, dry they were. I just was really disappointed. Obviously, the colors in the palette, they look beautiful. Beautiful. But it just did not perform the way I would have liked it to. So I was really disappointed. That was my April 2021 first Boxycharm Premium unboxing. What's the total value of my box? Well, it's $187. So that's awesome. But, I mean, either way, I paid $35 for this box. I'm obsessed with and thrilled. I got another Tarte Eyeliner, the NARS Blush, the Flippin' Primer. Y'all, Mama's thrilled. I still got an awesome, awesome value in this box. Ultimately, I love my Boxy Premium. That's just me. Was I disappointed in some stuff? Yeah. But could be worse. So, thank you as always for coming to hang out with me during another one of my unboxings. Do appreciate you so, so much. And if you like all things beauty, makeup, skincare, lots of unboxings, giveaways, and all that good stuff, smash that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. It does help my channel out so much. And I'll keep bringing you more content like this. Love you guys bunches. I will talk to y'all soon. See you in the next video.